Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 166, and today's topic is how to add a moving dashes animation in a process map diagram in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you would see a feature called Concept Sketcher. In Airline Studio, if you want to generate a process map, you need to do it through Concept Sketcher. Now I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is online shopping system, and this diagram got generated for me in just 15 to 20 seconds. So guys, you can also use Airline Studio and save your time the same way. Now clicking on the animations, because today we are discussing moving dashes animation, click on enable animation and click on moving dashes. Now you can see that dashes have become detached and it has started flowing around the edges, showing the flow of the diagram. You can change the speed of the dashes by here. If you want to change the dash length, you can do this, and if you want to change the gap between, you can do this. If you do this, it would be decreased. Okay, so practically this helps you to visually represent how activities flow from one step to another step within your process map. So basically, adding a moving dashes animation in AILN Studio helps you make your process map diagrams more dynamic and easy to understand. This is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.